Hey, welcome back. Yeah, we're on our way to an exciting adventure, and this is going to be great. We're going to get more drone footage. This is a solo adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to lovely Saluda. It is a beautiful day today, and I am on a trip to visit two waterfalls, Big Bradley and Little Bradley. Get some drone footage, and there. Big shout out to CHOA co-founder Don. How's it going? Charlotte Outdoor Adventures, CHOAclub.com. Alright, now we gotta cross the river on stepping stones. Let's get through this. I don't know how well you can see me. Alright, well I failed. I got my shoe uh-oh. Woohoo! Made it across. Oh no! Dangerous falls! Uh-oh. Oh look. A falling man. Whee! Oh, you know what they say. Don't fall down. So this is the way down into the basin of the falls. It's a little bit of a steep incline, but we just basically take the rope and climb down, right? I can't film this, unfortunately, but wish me luck. There it is, doing its job. Taking Panoramics. There's the software. I'm using Litchi software to take the Panoramics. Let's just hope the eagle doesn't attack it. I'll be heading home shortly. Yeah, so I gotta climb up a little bit. There we go. I gotta hurry it up before the climbers get here. Alright. And get to see centipedes. Alright, time to get out of here before I get bit, alright? We're almost at the other waterfall. This one's called Little Bradley. It's the baby brother of the Big Bradley Fall. Wow, it's serene and quiet here. Away from the city noise and cars and pollution. Not sure if you can hear me, but this ends the journey for this week. This is Little Bradley Falls in Saluda, North Carolina. Anyways, thank you for watching. Peace out. Have a great one.